Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tashik Shine's World.
For today's video guys, me and my friends here in Mersin, we are trying to help our kabayan from Cotabato, Philippines. She's coming from Antakya, Hatay guys. They have lost everything guys. Their house was knocked down by the earthquake.
Oh, andito na si Mary. She's back. Okay.
Our Filipino community, those are available, are trying to come to send their stuff for her.
We're going to check out some clothes, guys. Hello! Guys, right now we're in the market. So we're checking out some clothes for them. Like, this one does not look bad, right?
We are looking for a...
Okay, cool. What is this?
Ito parang termo kay.
What is this? No.
Bedsheet. Fitted.
Oh, shorts for like babies. Like there's water bottles. They're like noodles. Guys, what do we get? No, you look pretty. You look pretty. Hello. Wow, that's...
Ano yung pangalan yung binili mo sa'yo? Masarap yun.
Oo.
Yung nabibili ko.
Ano yun? Like this one?
Pero dito mo stock na. Parang ganyan siya.
Ice cream, literally.
Pero...
I did not clean my shoes, by the way. I did not clean my shoes. I wish I cleaned my shoes. Look at this. We'll be getting that.
No?
Oo.
No? Tapos tinapay.
Ontelelik indirimlerden vereyim mi? Bunun yerine Nescafe vereyim ister misin?
So mga kabayan, ito yung nabili natin para sa kay Samira Yilmaz from Hatay na nandito ngayon sa Kazanli. So, ito mga damit. Ayan, tinulungan din ako ni Nor mamili. Kaya, ayan. So we have here Suba, the heater. So from all of us, we are a few 100 collected. Merby is here, Nor, the husband of Merby. Neighbor, uncle. Yeah, and we have some cash here.
Ito, cash at saka yung...
Okay. Some groceries also. Rice. Fruits. Blankets.
These are the stuff that we sort out from home.
Maraming salamat po. Ito, natanggap ko na yung mga help ninyo, tulong ninyo sa amin, mag-ina. Tapos maraming salamat, good blessing po sa inyo lahat.
So guys, that's all for now. Before closing the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and press the bell. See you next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Love you all.